Hey there! We're going to break down exactly how to get rid of ingrown hair safely, effectively, and painlessly. By the end of this video, you'll be on your way to smoother, healthier skin. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! The first thing you'll want to do is exfoliate the skin. This removes dead skin cells that might be trapping the hair under the surface, allowing the ingrown hair to free itself naturally. You can use a gentle scrub or even a soft washcloth for this step. For a basic scrub, mix 1 tablespoon of sugar or salt with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Gently rub this mixture on the affected area in circular motions for about 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse with warm water. If you prefer baking soda, combine 1 tablespoon of baking soda with enough water to form a paste. Apply this in the same circular motions, then rinse. These scrubs help exfoliate the skin, clearing away dead cells that trap ingrown hairs. Repeat 1 to 2 times a week for best results. According to dermatologists from a study done by the American Academy of Dermatology in 2017, exfoliation is one of the most effective preventative measures against ingrown hairs. It removes the skin barrier that keeps the hair trapped inside. Next, we want to soothe the skin and soften it. Take a clean washcloth, soak it in warm water, and gently press it against the area for 10 to 15 minutes. This opens up your pores and softens both the skin and the trapped hair. Warm compresses are mentioned in numerous skincare studies, including one done by the Mayo Clinic, which showed that using heat can significantly reduce inflammation and make it easier for ingrown hairs to surface. Once the skin is soft and the ingrown hair is more visible, you can gently coax it out. Use a pair of sterile tweezers or a sterilized needle, just boil it for a few minutes or clean it with alcohol. You're not pulling the hair out entirely, just lifting it out of the skin so it can grow in the right direction. Be careful not to poke or dig too much, as this can cause scarring or infection. Make sure the area is well lit so you can see the hair clearly. If the hair is too deep or you're having trouble, it's best to leave it alone and move on to the next steps. After you freed the hair, or even if you couldn't get it out, it's crucial to reduce any inflammation. Use over-the-counter creams that contain hydrocortisone or witch hazel, both of which are known to reduce redness and swelling. If you prefer natural products, tea tree oil is another great option because it has antibacterial properties that help keep the area clean and calm. Harvard Medical School published an article in 2018 that highlighted tea tree oil as an effective anti-inflammatory, which is great news for people dealing with ingrown hairs and similar skin issues. Prevent future ingrown hairs. Now, here's the most important part. Preventing ingrown hairs from happening in the future. Let's talk about a few key tips. Shave properly. Always shave with the grain, which means in the direction the hair grows. Use a sharp, clean razor and try not to press too hard. Moisturize regularly. Keeping the skin moisturized helps it stay soft, which can prevent hairs from curling back into the skin. A non-comedogenic lotion or one with aloe vera works wonders. Exfoliate often. Make exfoliation a regular part of your skincare routine, but don't overdo it. 1 to 2 times a week is enough. A 2015 study by the Cleveland Clinic showed that proper shaving techniques and regular moisturization cut down ingrown hairs significantly. Moisturizing keeps skin soft, while exfoliation ensures hair grows the way it's supposed to. And that's it. Now you know how to get rid of ingrown hair in a safe and effective way. Remember, patience is key. You don't want to rush this process, or you might end up with scarring or infections. Prevention is the best treatment, so make sure to exfoliate and shave properly in the future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share with a friend who might be struggling with ingrown hairs, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any tips of your own.